Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to configure Smart PSS. First, let's get acquainted with the software's core functions, which allow you to manage various security devices efficiently. Before we begin, please ensure all your network cameras or recorders are powered on and connected to the same local network as your computer. You'll also need to have the Smart PSS application already installed on your system. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth configuration process. Now, let's add your security devices to Smart PSS. Once the application is open, locate and click on the device icon, usually found on the main interface. From there, select Add to initiate an auto search for devices on your local network. If auto search doesn't find your device, you can manually input its IP address, the correct port number, and the device's username and password. Remember to save your changes after adding each device. With your devices added, you can now access live video feeds and review recordings. Navigate to the Live View tab to see real-time footage from your cameras. Simply drag and drop individual cameras into the available viewing panes to create your preferred layout, supporting up to 64 channels simultaneously. For reviewing past events, switch to the Playback tab. Here, you can select a device, choose a date, and specify a time range to easily find and watch recorded video. Beyond basic viewing, Smart PSS offers powerful advanced features. You can customize recording schedules, ensuring continuous or event-triggered recording based on your needs. Set up intelligent motion detection zones and sensitivity levels to minimize false alarms. Furthermore, configure alarm linkages to receive email alerts or trigger external devices upon detection. Finally, manage user accounts and permissions, granting specific access rights to different operators for enhanced security control. This completes our step-by-step guide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.